Super Curious Kid, and today we're going to go to the Immersive Rainforest play by Hommeet. We need to go inside here, get Curious Children's Studio. Let's go! Let's see what the activity stations are. Come on, let's look. This is a feed the bird sensory play. You need to find the worm. I found the worm. I like to see the worm.
So you're supposed to match it, right? So you're supposed to make a guess, like these are the ants. You're supposed to sort of make a guess to see what these prints belong to. You then actually put out the label, and then you can use these prints and press it. Wow.
Sun bear's nickname. Here are the clues. They're up on the walls. Let's answer some questions. Okay, what's the Malayan sun bear's nickname? Honey bear.
Are you sure? Where do you see the answer?
There.
Okay.
Can you say how large-tailed Malayanus is the scientific name of the sun bear?
What you made?
I made a food dragon.
A what? What are you making?
I'm making a cake.
What's your favorite station?
It's this station.
This station? Why?
Well, because I like feeding the birds and I also like birds really much.
Yeah, what's your favorite station? This? Why?
This is my first station.
First
Takes
station.
them more than 30 minutes or an hour. So much fun at Immersive Rainforest play by Hommeet. I wonder what they're having next.
Hi, hello, I'm KB, founder of Hommeet. Thank you for joining our Immersive Rainforest play in the museum today. For more fun activities and home-based classes, feel free to check out our website www.hommeet.com. Thank you.
Check out my other traveling videos here. Please subscribe if you like it. Always stay super curious.